here again back with a stationery haul video. So I recently visited Mr.diy and bought some cute stationeries. So let's get started. The first thing I bought is this cute sticky note, and the design is 10 on 10. Like you can see the gingham design it has, and the paper quality is also 8 on 10. But the sticky thing, like it doesn't stick to your paper or wall anything. You have to use glue or sticky tape like that to stick it. Otherwise the design and all is 10 on 10, so I would rate it 10 out of 6, so you can buy it. So next I bought is this cute little to-do list. It is very sturdy and it's so small कि ये आपके compass boxes, purses किसी में भी fit आ जाएगा. And बिना to-do list के I don't do my work. So it's a one-time investment. Like it's detachable. You can attach another to-do list of your wish into it afterwards. And ये भी like sticky notes की तरह होता है, but paper quality 6 on 10 है. बॉल पेन्स ऑफकोर्स चलेगा. जेल पेन समटाइम मे बी इट लीक, बट स्टिकीनेस बिल्कुल नहीं है. यू हैव टू स्टिक इट विद ग्लू और washi tape or something else. So here's another sticky note. Like I love sticky notes a lot. I have very much sticky notes in my collection. So I bought this green color, green themed, and it comes with 5 tabs and one small sticky square shape sticky note. And the designs are so much pretty and cute. Like I have to buy it, I thought. So the stickiness, इसका stickiness 10 on 10 है. Designs, all things 10 on 10. So it's definitely buy thing. The next is this to do list or notepad, or you may say anything. So ये sticky note की तरह नहीं है. It's not, it doesn't come with that sticky or gum thing. You have to use the glue for this, or it's like notepad tier वाला है ये. And it comes in 100 का या 60 का पैक वाला आता है ये. The paper quality is 8 on 10. Like sometimes may bleed, sometimes may not, it depends on your pen. And the design and everything is cute, super cute things DIY have. Like next time I will buy their whole stock of sticky notes. And then comes bundles of diaries and journals and all. Like I love journaling, so I bought many diaries. The first one is cute little one. Like I have to carry this in bag, मुझे रास्ते में कुछ याद आ गया, so I wrote those things in this diary. So ये transparent cover है, इसका cover is very cute. Just because of cover I bought this diary. The cover is in transparent sheet, like गंदा होने का डर नहीं है. And it comes with a rule line अंदर पेजेस है इसके रूल्ड वाले. सो लिखने का भी कोई टेंशन नहीं है. यू कैन राइट एनी थिंग. इट्स वेरी स्टर्डी, ड्यूरेबल एंड रेडी टू यूज़ थिंग. Then I have this big diary. Like it has 4 sections for different subjects or something. You can divide it, and I have already started using it because I can't control myself to journal it and all. So I have done those things, and it has 4 tabs. थोड़ी सी गंदी भी हुई है, and again it comes with ruled pages. And then the cutest thing I have, like इतने पूरे हॉल में ये सबसे पहला cutest thing है. It's a fur diary, and I'm obsessed with this fur thing. Like I started playing with this. Again this comes with in ruled pages, and the front top में इसके 3 tabs है. डेट लिखने के लिए है, मूड टैब है, एंड वेदर टैब है. सो यू कैन लाइक अगर तुम जर्नल भी कर रहे हो, सो द वेदर you can track, the mood you can track, and date also. So it's a very good time investment, and the fur is so cute. Like says to buy me. And then comes a aesthetic one. Like it has a boho butterfly type of cover page, and it's a leather one. और ये थोड़ा सा गोल्डन में थोड़ा शाइन वगैरह करता है. एंड इट्स अ परफेक्ट फॉर जर्नलिंग. लाइक जो भी लोग जर्नल थॉट्स वगैरह लिखते हैं, इट्स परफेक्ट फॉर देम. लाइक कवर पेज एंड ऑल, इट्स मेड फॉर देम. And the side is also painted with gold. Like this book is so aesthetic, and again it comes with a rule line pages, so it's quite better to write down. Then I bought this cute little strawberry tumbler. ये थोड़ा सा कॉस्टली है, बट आई एम बॉट जस्ट बिकॉज इट्स क्यूट, एंड स्ट्रॉबेरी इज़ माई ओनली फेवरेट फ्रूट, एंड आई एम ऑलरेडी यूजिंग इट. देन आई बॉट दिस सेंटेड कैंडल. ये ऑलरेडी पहले से ही थोड़ा कम था, बट जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ इज सेंट आई बॉट इट, एंड इट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. लाइक बहुत अच्छी स्मेल है इसकी. देन आई बॉट दिस हुक. मेरे पास ऑलरेडी दो है एंड आई एम अगेन परचेसिंग इट जस्ट बिकॉज ये बहुत क्यूट होते एंड पांडा मेरा फेवरेट है, सो आई बॉट इट एंड इट्स ड्यूरेबल टू. And here comes the cutest stapler I have ever seen, and again it's too costly, लेकिन ये cute है इसलिए just I bought it. So it is a rabbit theme, like ये rabbit का cartoon इस पे बना हुआ है and it is super super cute. Like money नहीं कर रहा था इससे staple करने का. So you can see like how cute the rabbit is, and it comes with 1000 pack, like 1000 stapler का इसका pack आता है, उसके साथ में ये आता है. So what's the use of these staplers, like it's already there. So then comes this washi tapes. It comes in 8 rolls और ये मतलब अच्छे खासे होते हैं, वन टाइम परचेज है ये भी, it's not that much we use those things. Then the lifesaver thing is these correction tapes. मेरे पास ब्लू में था, then I purchased this in yellow and I use a lot like mistakes तो मेरे से होती है मेरे नोट्स में and it's like ये दिखता भी नहीं है, so I purchased it. Then this paper pens, I'm always craving this type of pens, it's very good, 10 on 10. Then this scissor, journaling वगैरह के लिए everyone must have this scissors, like सीज़र तो हर किसी के पास होता है, सो आई जस्ट बॉट दिस. इसमें क्या ही बोलूँ मैं, बट ये थोड़ा अच्छा वाला है. आई हैव स्मॉलर वन, देन आई थॉट टू परचेस बिगर वन टू, सो इट्स क्वाइट शार्प एंड ड्यूरेबल टू. Then at last this sticker chart or something you can say, it comes in 4 pieces and I don't know, it's a waste of money, like mat lo bhai, it's waste of money, totally waste of money, it's not worth it. It comes with 4 chart. पहला वाला ट्रांसपेरेंट होता है, as you can see the stickers are cute, I am admitting it, but it's not worth it. The second comes in a sticker chart, like just remove and stickers, and this one is the whole chart is sticker, you have to cut a per piece of stickers and then you have to stick it. And this transparent one I don't know how to use it, I will find it out कैसे इसको use करते, then let you guys know. Then the second one is like वो थोड़ा सा ठीक था, उसमें स्टिकर्स निकल रहे थे और उसमें चिपकाना रहता है बस, सो इट्स क्यूट. एंड जो थर्ड वाला था वो पूरा का पूरा चार्ट ही स्टिकर्स था, लाइक इट्स वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम. मैं एक एक पीस को कब कट करूँ कब स्टिक करूँ, लाइक इट्स टोटली वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम, डोंट बाय दिस, इट्स नॉट वर्थ इट. और जो फोर्थ वाला था यू हैव टू कलर इट, लाइक भाई मैं कलर करने के लिए थोड़ी ना स्टिकर्स ली हूँ, सो इट्स नॉट वर्थ इट. You can check it out otherwise if you want. So that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching my vlog, and I will definitely come with another haul because I love to purchase stationeries a lot and I'm very fond of it. So that's it for this vlog. मिलते हैं next vlog में. Bye bye. Stay tuned, subscribe, comment.